Assalamu alaikum. Let's start our lesson 5 of this course. شنو what شنو مشكل problem مشكل المشكل the problem المشكل. How do you say what is the problem? What is the problem? What is the matter? شنو المشكل شنو المشكل شنو المشكل هذا this هذا. How do you say this is a problem? In fact, you would say in Darija, a problem is this. A problem is this. So a problem is this. مشكل هذا. مشكل هذا. So a problem is this. ماشي not ماشي. Or to say not a problem, no problem. ماشي مشكل ماشي مشكل no problem. ماشي مشكل. Isn't it a problem? How to say isn't it a problem? وش ماشي مشكل؟ وش ماشي مشكل؟ هادشي this thing she is thing and it is used as just this هادشي. معقول معقول reasonable معقول. ماشي معقول ماشي معقول not reasonable. How to say this is not reasonable. This is not reasonable. هادشي ماشي معقول هادشي ماشي معقول. This is not reasonable. مزيان is good. ما مزيانش not good. ما مزيانش. How to say this is not good? هادشي ما مزيانش هادشي ما مزيانش. What is this? How do you say what is this? What is this? شنو هادشي شنو هادشي. كاين there is كاين there is. How to say there is a problem? There is a problem. كاين مشكل كاين مشكل. There is a problem. ما كاينش ما كاينش. There is not. ما كاينش مشكل. There is no problem. ما كاينش مشكل. باباك your father. Is your father there? How do you say is your father there? واش كاين باباك؟ واش كاين باباك؟ في الدار في الدار at home at home في الدار. Is your father home? Is your father home? واش كاين باباك في الدار؟ واش كاين باباك في الدار؟ واش كاين باباك؟ Is your father home at home في الدار؟ فين كاين؟ فين كاين؟ Where is فين كاين؟ فين كاين باباك؟ Where is your father? كاين في الدار. He is at home. كاين في الدار. هنا here هنا. How to say I am here? I am here. أنا هنا. أنا هنا. شكون؟ who. شكون؟ who am I? Who am I? How to say who am I? شكون أنا؟ شكون أنا؟ How to say who are you? شكون أنت؟ شكون أنت؟ Who is here? Who is here? How to say who is here? شكون هنا؟ شكون هنا؟ تم. There. تم. Who is there? Who is there? شكون تم؟ شكون تم؟ I say who is in the house? Who is at home? Or who is in the house? شكون كاين في الدار؟ شكون كاين في الدار؟ Alright, our mini dialogue. الو الو شكون معايا؟ معاك عبد السلام صاحب باباك. واش كاين باباك في الدار؟ لا بابا ما كاينش في الدار، بابا مازال في الخدمة. صافي شكرا. العفو، ما كان حتى مشكل. رايح. الو الو شكون معايا؟ like who is there, like who is with me on the phone, who is with me. معك عبد السلام. عبد السلام is talking. With you is عبد السلام. With you is عبد السلام. صاحب باباك. Your father's friend. صاحب is friend. باباك your father. Your father's friend. واش كاين باباك في الدار؟ Is your father home? Oh لا بابا ما كاينش في الدار. No, my father is not home. بابا مازال في الخدمة. My father is still at work. صافي شكرا. Alright, thank you. العفو، ما كاين حتى مشكل. You're welcome. There's no problem. ما كاين حتى مشكل. Like no problem at all. حتى is not the same. It's not in the sense of to or also. It's here. It's like no problem. Like there is no problem at all. All right, that's it for this dialogue, this lesson.